Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve updates not available on Roblox. So know how to fix or how to solve. You can't update Roblox on your phone, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list, you search about this window of Roblox app. Here. Then this page of app info, you will enter the first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter the storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to airplane mode. You will turn on, then you can wait a moment, then you can turn off your airplane again to fix your problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.